Where's Eric? We have to start the next episode. Oh well, I can't wait for him any longer. Welcome to another episode of The Balloon Guys. I'm Jason, and today we're going to be learning about
when do we use capital letters?
All right, everybody, when do we use capital letters? The first example is always in the beginning of a sentence. The first letter of the first word of any sentence we write always has to be capitalized. Just like in this example here, we love twisting spirals. Oh.
Those were some really cool spirals.
Yeah, I think so too, man. I liked them. Actually, look, here's another example of where you capitalize the first letter in the beginning of a sentence. Here we go. Eric loves doing backflips.
Backflips? Oh, yeah. Oh, what? Oh, never gonna happen. Okay? Never gonna happen.
Listen,
okay.
you just erased my...
Wait, what is this?
What?
It looks like a shriveled up little worm.
What does? My finger?
Your finger. I can't see the words. Hold on a second.
Can you do better?
Hold on.
Oh, it's my finger. Your finger's the same as my finger.
I'll be right back.
What's wrong with my finger?
Now this is a finger pointer right here. The children will have no problem seeing this exquisite pointer. So, all in the snap. Now, proper names like names of people. Oh, let me use my super pointer. Eric, Jason.
My name's a proper name?
Yeah, exactly.
Your name's a proper name?
Yes. Your name.
Oh.
Yes. Oh, sorry to point. I was just trying to drive the point home. Oh, sorry.
Waka waka.
So, next, names of our pets. Romeo.
Oh.
And who could forget everybody's favorite character, Harry Potter.
So his last name's a proper name too?
Even his last name. Yes.
So we capitalize that
Yep.
one.
Just like all you kids watching out there. You have to capitalize your first name and your last name. Jason, do you know any proper names?
Let me think. Somebody famous. George Washington?
Okay.
Okay, all right. Ben Franklin.
Okay. Oh, yeah.
Okay. Who else? What are you doing? You know what? Now you're just messing. Now he's just messing with me. You know what? I have some good proper names. I'll be back. I have some good ones.
I'm just very immature. I don't understand. Use it as a back scratcher.
All right, I found my pointer.
What is he? What in the world?
Da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da. Bam! Party pointer, dude. Party pointer. Check this out.
Well, I have the coolest one in the world.
You, sir, have been one-upped. Spirals and everything.
It's so cool.
You ready for the next example?
Whoa!
Yeah, here are some more proper names that you have to capitalize.
Okay, yeah.
Are you ready?
Absolutely.
Are you sure you're ready? All right, well then, are you positive you're ready?
Yes,
This pointer is all about partying and having fun.
This guy really getting on my nerves.
Okay, for real. Okay, we'll be serious.
Okay, yeah.
Okay, party pointer points to the first thing. So these are all more proper names. Instead of just people's names, you can talk about names of places like cities or states. Here's an example, New York, like New York City or New York State. You capitalize the first letter in each of the words, New and York. Or you can go to like a store, and your favorite store. I picked a store, Target. You capitalize the name of Target. Or your home address. Where do you live? When you write out your home address, you have to capitalize the name of your street. Here's an example, 123 Main Street. We capitalize the M and the S. Or the months of the year. So here we have the word February, you capitalize F. What else? Let me just use my pointer here, last thing. Well, also other things we can capitalize are the days of the week. Thursday.
Oh, that's so cool. Wait.
Yeah.
Wait. This letter
Right there, the capital letter T. Oh! Oh, dude!
I'll be right back.
That was my favorite pointer. Whatever, man. I'm out of here. Man. I can't believe he popped my pointer. I love that pointer too. It was very festive. Whoa! Whoa! Jeez, dude. What is that? What is this?
Check out my super ninja pointer.
Dude, is he doing a flying sidekick?
Absolutely. Let's get those words on the board. Names of titles. We use capital letters for books. Wacky Wednesday. Names of magazines. Scholastic News. Names of video games. My favorite. Mario Kart. All these different titles get capital letters. Oh! I love this ninja pointer. He's like the coolest pointer in the world. How could he possibly do better than this? What's that sound? Oh.
Look at this pointer. It's my robot hand. Now it's time for my snaps. Yeah, Eric, look at this. More titles. Here are some titles that you should always capitalize. Like the names of your favorite movies. Here's one, Frozen. Capitalize the F. Or what about your favorite TV show? Here's one for the little guys. Capitalize Paw Patrol. Or, just maybe, you should capitalize the name of your favorite YouTube channel, like The Balloon Guys.
Oh, wait. We are the
We are the Balloon Guys. Oh, that's such. Who wrote that? That's a
How did
coincidence.
it get in there?
didn't even-
I mean, you know.
Yeah. But
Well, whatever.
I agree with it.
Yeah. Channel of the world.
Anyway,
All
so
right.
those were some great examples today that we had about when you use capital letters when you're writing. We hope you guys had a good time with us today, and we'll see you next week.
Bye, everybody.